Welcome back to the channel, you guys. We are just getting stocked up on groceries after a week of Van Fest and spending time on the East Coast with some of our van life friends. We are making our way to Lakeland now. We are caravanning with several other vans, RVs, a variety of us. So come along with us and see what van life is like with community.
Plus, stick around to see some amazing wildlife, including some great horned baby owls.
We are currently in Davenport, Florida. We've been battling our way through traffic from Aldi trying to get to Panera because the library in Lakeland where we're heading doesn't open till 1:30, so we're making some stops before then. And we are traveling with several other people. We have got Bill and Christina of Every State Park and Goodnight Trail. We have got Gray and Grumpy, and we have got Joe and Aaron Bacon of the Bacon's Rebellion with us. And we're going to be meeting another couple that we've been connected with on Facebook for quite some time. We've never met, Zim USA. And after that, we're even meeting up with more people, so this is super fun.
Take the next right onto Laura Lane.
Thought we'd try something different. Give Panera Bread a try. Heard it's pretty good.
Continue on Lake Morton Drive for half a mile.
All right, well, after wrapping up at Panera and driving about 40 minutes or so, we are in Lakeland, driving along Lake Morton. It's one of our favorite places. There's lots of birds here. It's a really cool spot. And we can see a van up here. We're going to meet Zim USA. We've never met them in person. We're finally looking forward to getting to chat with them. There they are.
It was great finally meeting Henry and Wendy after following them for quite some time on Instagram. And we always enjoy seeing the creative things other people do with their van builds. They are making great progress on their van. It's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, that's luxury for us.
So that was fun. We got to meet Henry and Wendy. Their Instagram is Zim USA. So we got to see their build. It's a build in progress, and they are well underway. Van's looking really sharp. They have lots of amenities.
Yeah, and it's their third van. They had two ProMasters, and now this Transit. Can you imagine building out?
Yeah.
3 vans.
It is funny though. One of the first things he said is the difference between a ProMaster and a Transit. And the Transit, I guess I could say the ProMaster being a bit more square in its design, so it aids in the build process versus a Transit where you have all sorts of angles and weird things going on.
Which we know quite well.
Yeah, we can relate to that. So it was neat to see what they're doing and get to meet them. Now we are, oddly enough, we're going back to a Panera so that we can all kind of hang out more and grab something to eat and drink and catch up more.
Yeah, the challenge for us van lifers is most of us don't have vehicles that are equipped to have many people in them. So we're kind of just all standing around talking, and that gets a little old after a while, or can. And we weren't really at a park that was ideal for hanging out. So Wendy and Henry were hungry, and we all decided just to go to Panera.
Yeah.
That's how it works. That's how we do community. We figure things out and
that's van life.
Go with the flow. has flown by. We just left Panera. It started to rain, so we all made a mad dash for our vans. Originally, we really thought we'd get a lot of work done today, but because it's so unusual for us to have opportunities to hang out with other people like this, because Zim USA was there, we wanted to spend the day with them. So we did that, and now we're heading to Cracker Barrel. We're gonna make some dinner, and it means tomorrow we're probably gonna have to do a lot of catch up. We're gonna have to do a lot of work tomorrow.
So it's dinner time. On the menu tonight is what? Rice, black beans, and some pork from Aldi.
It's Mexican night.
Yummy, yummy.
Kind of looks like a bunch of rabbit turds.
What's funny is I was thinking exactly the same thing, and I was about to say that. I think we've been hanging out for too long.
Yum, yum, yum. Look at this goodness. Topped it off with some avocado. Now we're talking.
All right, good morning, everybody. We need to get some work done this morning. So we've heard a lot of good things about Panera bread. So we're gonna go in and give that a shot.
We have left our caravan crew back at the Cracker Barrel. We are going to work really hard to get as much done as we can to make up for yesterday, and hopefully be able to have some fun later today. The rest of the crew is planning on going to one of my favorite places, Circle B Bar Reserve. It's a great place for wildlife. Hopefully we can get there. We'll see. Our little kitty girl is hiding this morning. Steve's already in. He often gets in there first, makes sure there's an outlet that we can work at, gets his go juice, and then I catch up with him. So have something a little healthy, then get to work. Our little kitty girl is hiding in her tent that we made for her this morning. Not sure why. She's been a little bit more spooked the last few days. Maybe because there's just been so much activity with Van Fest, and then the people that we've been traveling with, and the overnight with all the trains that she didn't like. So she's back in her little safe spot, which she hasn't been using for a long, long time. Lately, she had been more just kind of out hanging in the front seat and feeling more comfortable, but hopefully she'll feel a little bit more comfortable again. But it's nice that we have that little safe spot for her.
Take the next right onto Discovery Drive, then you will arrive at your destination. You have arrived.
We have wrapped up our work for the day, and now it's time to go check out some wildlife.
We've arrived at one of our favorite wildlife spots, Circle B Bar Reserve.
Let's hope we see some good stuff. Oh, there's Joe.
So good.
What do we have here?
So we're getting some bread from Aaron. It's hot honey jalapeno bread. Sourdough bread.
Yummy.
Hi, I'm Erin. I make sourdough.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy for my tummy tummy.
So we are here. We wanted to go here, but it's closed. So we're gonna do Heron Hideout to Marsh Rabbit Run, and then we'll see how far everybody wants to keep walking after that. And then you all can decide if we go back or if we go over.
Mandarin.
first armadillo. We have been here at Circle B several times before, and we posted another video, I think actually 2 feature-length videos on Circle B where we had some amazing footage during the alligator mating season. We got some great footage of more armadillos and sandhill cranes. So if you haven't seen that, go check it out, because today will probably be a little bit of a shorter video of our time here. Oh, hi. Look at you. We're gonna go for a walk? See ya. It came right at me. Don't peck at me. Hi. Are you posing? Huh? Are you posing? Don't peck at me. So, Joe wanted to see an alligator. Joe can finally see an alligator. Does that meet your criteria?
Yes, it does.
One there and then there's one out to the left of that. What's the fancy way to say that? Thumbs a girl.
All right, we got some gator sightings, so Grumpy's happy now.
No, Grumpy is
Oh, come on. He's so hard to please.
Yes, that's very true.
How do you live with him?
I can't.
Alligators. Our spoonbill has woken up.
I don't know, but now I arrived just in time.
We're trying to get your attention.
Steve, there's a gator.
Where?
Right over there.
They're just like puppies.
Can you see him?
I don't see it.
Maybe if you look a little harder. You saw him?
It's way out there.
There's a big guy.
There's one and there's
I missed the spoonbills doing their dance. Yeah, but they're too far. We spotted some of my favorite birds, the roseate spoonbills, but unfortunately they weren't very close to get a good look at their beautiful pink feathers and spoon-shaped beaks. We love Circle B Bar Reserve because it offers a thriving habitat for an incredible array of wildlife. Nestled along the northwest shore of Lake Hancock in Polk County, this 1,267-acre preserve, once a cattle ranch, has been beautifully restored to its natural wetland state, making it an ecological treasure with its freshwater marshes, hardwood swamps, oak hammocks, pine flatwoods, and lake ecosystems. And of course, benches. Just a couple average Joes. Oh wait, they're not average. Bacon and Grumpy.
there you go.
Is it a pileated woodpecker? All right, one more mile to go. We're trying to find an owl These children yap way too much. We found another armadillo. And they're the cutest little face. Whoa, he's like, don't touch me.
Who knew?
All right, so we are on our way out of the park, but before we exit, there is rumor that there is a great horned owl close by. So we're going to go see what we can see.
On our way out, we spotted the great horned owl mama sitting in her nest. That means there's going to be owlets sometime soon here at Circle B. We loved sharing this Florida gem with our fellow nomads, and we're so glad they all enjoyed it.
So something that has been happening as of recent is I no sooner get out of the driver's seat and some furry critter makes a beeline and jumps up there so she can be right beside her mama.
We returned a little over 3 weeks later to see the great horned owl babies, or owlets, and were rewarded with some pretty cute antics as they curiously peeked out of the nest. What a treat. Reminder, we've also shared some past visits here of some pretty incredible wildlife experiences, including alligator mating season, something we were not prepared for.
Oh my gosh.
It's like a mix between a Harley and a lion roaring.
They are some of our favorite travel videos, so we hope you'll check them out. This is where we're going to leave you for now. Join us next time as we continue caravanning around Florida with our van life friends. And please subscribe, hit that like button, and leave us a comment if you haven't already. We really appreciate it.
We are currently in Davenport, Florida. We have been battling our way through. Hate morning doves.
You hate morning
I
doves?
do.
I got. My grandma hates morning doves.
They sound horrible. Yeah, that's horrible.
If you enjoy our videos, please consider becoming a patron by using the link on the screen that we've also included in the video description. We are so grateful for our patrons and supporters who help keep our tank full, figuratively and literally. Don't forget, you can also connect with us and see my photos of the places we visit on our Facebook and Instagram.